Are you planning to use the 4% rule to withdraw money from your retirement savings? If so, you may want to think again. The 4% rule is a popular retirement withdrawal strategy, but it's not as safe as you might think. The shocking truth is that the 4% rule was developed based on historical data from a period of time when inflation was low and investment returns were high. However, the world has changed a lot since then. Today, inflation is rising and investment returns are lower. This means that the 4% rule may not be enough to sustain retirees through their retirement years. There are a number of reasons why the 4% rule may not be safe, including 1. Rising inflation. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of your retirement savings over time. If inflation is higher than 4%, you may not be able to withdraw enough money from your retirement savings to live comfortably. 2. Lower investment returns. Investment returns have been lower in recent years than they were in the past. This means that your retirement savings may not grow as quickly as they used to. Increased longevity. People are living longer than ever before. This means that you may need your retirement savings to last for 30 years or more. Here's a tip that most people don't know. The 4% rule was developed based on the assumption that retirees would withdraw a fixed amount of money from their retirement savings each year. However, this may not be the best strategy. A better approach is to use a dynamic withdrawal strategy. This means that you adjust your withdrawals each year based on your needs and the performance of your investment portfolio. Now that you know why the 4% rule may not be as safe as you think, it's time to start thinking about alternative retirement withdrawal strategies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.